What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Lugnut TV with Jessie G, a channel for lug nuts all about the brand Lug. I got my box a little late, so I'm pretty sure everybody who's watching this already knows the contents of this box, and I am the last one to be finding out because I have avoided all of you on every platform because I wanted to be completely surprised by everything in here. This box is a little different because Lug named this box Adventure Through the Years, and I think we're gonna see some throwbacks, maybe either some throwback items or throwback colors. There was a choice. You could order either print or color. Color, I'm assuming meaning solid. So I went with color. It was a tough choice. Both of them almost ended up in my cart. Yeah. The Lug Life boxes are always exciting. I never know what's in them. I never look at spoilers beforehand. So everything in this box is still a surprise to me. No peeking. Sparkly rainbow paper. It's space. Let's see. We always have to read the card first, right? This is the coupon card. In every mystery box so far, Lug has included... Oh, that's cute. It's a narwhal. Lug includes discounts that you can use directly on their site, luglife.com. So the coupons that I received in this box, and they're going to be the same for each box, $50 off when you spend $100 or more, $25 off when you spend $75 or more, and because I'm in the US, this is all in USD. Boarding pass, free shipping, offer cannot be combined. Is there a limit? I'm pretty sure that free shipping applies to anything in your cart. There doesn't have to be a purchase minimum, which on Lug Life's site, to get free shipping, normally you'd have to spend $100 on their site in order to get automatic free shipping. I think this free shipping means you can get it regardless of the amount that you have in your cart. And this Lug adventure is all because of you. Oh, look! This is an old picture. Oh my gosh. Since day one, way back in 2005, Lug has been on the biggest adventure, and it's all been possible because of you. You're the reason we took our first trip from Dallas to Toronto and every trip since. So just like we pack our bags, we packed this box full of our old favorites. It's got spoilers! I'll read it at the end. I'm not reading spoilers. I'm one of those people who will avoid social media when I'm watching a TV show and I haven't seen the newest episode yet because I don't want to see any spoilers at all. No. I'm just gonna keep the paper here to maintain the mystery. Oh my gosh. This was right here in the corner. A bag charm. I don't have one of Lug's charms yet. Their charm bar is something that they've been putting recently on the front of a lot of their bags, and I love the fact that this one is solid. That is one that I would actually choose. Oh, it's so cute. I finally have one. I can try it out now. Next, there's a tiny, it's a luggage strap. Okay, I just want to point out that I chose the box that said color, and so far we've had no color. That was a joke, by the way. Not upset. So, the point of this, if you're waiting to claim your baggage, this kind of helps you identify which one's yours. Also, if you wrap it around your rolling bag, just in case your zipper's open, this clip here kind of just holds everything together as a little additional security measure. I honestly have used these to just randomly bungee things together that I need to hold together, like in my van when I'm driving, because I don't travel by plane a whole lot. I can still use these for other things. Oh goodness, we have a thing in the front. And you know what? It's a tango! It's a tango. It's a rainbow tango. There's these little sparkly things on this tissue paper that's just, they're touching me. They're touching, okay. Tango, for those who are actually waiting for me to calm down and give an explanation. The Tango is a large travel wallet. It is large enough for multiple passports. We've got this little slippy pocket in the front here, ready for the organization inside of this. It doesn't look like it's changed at all, which I actually love. Passport, other thing that might be a passport or not a passport. Maybe if I flew more, I would know. I did a video once where I fit like 4 to 5 Hershey bars in this wallet, and when I closed it, you couldn't tell that it was just completely loaded with chocolate. You really can pack this thing full. Pen. Look at how beautifully that fits in there. This is where it gets fun. This is the real fun side of the Tango. First of all, we've got some credit card slots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wallet is going to be fully RFID shielded according to this tag right there. And this little tiny strap with the button is just going to give you a little bit of extra security for your cards. On this side, we've got a full-length zipper going from the top to the bottom of the wallet. You can't see anything that's going to be in this pocket. So maybe if you're traveling and you've got some foreign currency that's maybe a little bit larger. Maybe you can stick that in there. In the front here, you've got another zip pocket. This one has a mesh window, which means that it's going to have visibility. And behind that, there's another slip pocket that's not connected to this one here. They're overlapping, but there's fabric in between. Lug thought of another thing that we might need, and they just stuck it there for us. A Tango, a Tango. I love the Tango. You know, if you ever just want to be extreme and carry a large wallet with you just for everyday stuff, yeah, this does work. What is this? Are you a Flutter? You are a Flutter. Okay, so the Flutter is one of their older style bags. A smaller, more compact size crossbody. A great organization. You could fit a lot in here. The strap is not removable, but it is adjustable. They lined it with the seashells. Oh, and they put the magnetic thing back. They used to have hidden magnetic closures for these side water bottle pockets. A few years ago, they replaced the magnets with snaps. This is a hidden water bottle pocket, and when you're not using it, you close it up, the magnets help that stay closed, and then it stays completely streamlined on the side of the bag. Flutter is layered with pockets even on the outside of the bag. This one's got a bit of its own gusset here, so you could probably put something a little large in there. Up here we've got the signature soft-lined cell phone pocket. In between those pockets there's another zip pocket, and this one's got built-in organization. We've got a second soft-lined stretchy cargo pocket. Next to that there are two pen holders. I think a lot of us really appreciate a bag that's got a good wide opening so that we can see everything inside. And the zipper extends. For a small bag, that is a wide opening. The stretchy built-in key bungee. This is what they put in here if you want to clip your keys to something, okay, anything that you might want to clip onto there just for a little bit of extra security too, so it can't be grabbed out of your bag. We've also got two stretchy cargo pockets. Those aren't soft lined. And then we've got a privacy zip pocket. Apparently I picked the right color nail polish for this video. Congratulations to me for accidentally doing that. So that is the Flutter. So far this box is an adventure. We've got another tiny thing. Oh, tell me you're Sunset. Are you Sunset Orange? This is like their original orange color. Now I need to know which older prints they put in the print box. Is this a larger Metro? What are you? Metro XL. The Metro is their little pouch wallet. It's tiny, okay? It does fit a few cards, but they made a version that's just slightly larger. This is the Metro XL. There's something large in here. I've been avoiding it. I don't think I can avoid it any longer. Puddle Jumper LE Black Rainbow. Are you kidding me? I've got a video that I'm currently working on the Puddle Jumper LE. I did recently buy it in magenta, and I've got a lot of things to say about this bag. I do love this bag, and look at the quilting. I was not expecting it. It's the rainbow again, Black Rainbow. How? I did not know this is what was going to be in the color box, and I'm so excited because I love this Black Rainbow. And before we get into that, there is one more tiny thing in here. Okay. The luggage tags. They were not in the same area as the luggage strap when I opened the box, but those are kind of companions of each other, okay? So these little luggage tags, you know, they've got this little stretchy strap here, and they match the luggage strap, just for a little more bag identity, okay? That was everything in the box. I'm not great at opening bags. I'm not. More sparkles. Glitter is banned in my house. I have 4 children, because once glitter gets on something, I won't even buy a t-shirt that's got glitter on it. Lug, why have you done this to me? At least they're large pieces of glitter. I can see them easily, but they're getting on the things. Me, I'm the things. Puddle Jumper. Look at the black with the rainbow. So I do have a video coming out soon. I'm gonna have more information on this bag in the near future. Oh, and the outside says lug, so I could actually even put this part on the outside and have it say lug if I wanted to, which, you know what? I kind of want to. I'm gonna be honest. It feels more secure than I thought it would. And considering that part of this bag is not gonna get a whole lot of independent movement when you move the bag around, I feel like it's gonna be safe in that location. All right, so not much more I can do except just give you a quick shake test, and it's exactly where I put it. So the Puddle Jumper LE is a travel bag. It's got a built-in shoe compartment in the back. It's got all kinds of organization everywhere. Puddle Jumper is like Lug's absolute signature item. Go. Oh my gosh, rainbow black. I cannot believe that is what was in this box. I didn't know when I ordered it that that's what was going to be in here, and I'm so excited because I love it. So on that note, we are going to wrap up this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got some links in the description, including a link to this shirt if you are a lug dealer and you love pushing lug onto your family and friends. Also a few different ways how I shop and earn money back, and a link to Lug's website so that you can check out more of their items. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and like always, I'll see you guys next time.